Alrighty, I'm going to walk you through some instructions on making a YouTube video. So basically just take your phone and shoot your video. There are other ways to do this. This is the way I do it. Probably people who are more savvy can give us some better instructions, but this is the way I do it. So I shoot the video with my phone and then I get it onto my computer. I do that through AirDrop. I just AirDrop it from my phone directly to my computer, and then it shows up in my downloads. So these are the videos that I made this morning, if you can see. I'm gonna make sure, hang on just a second, that you can see what I'm looking at. Need to move my, oh yeah, definitely you cannot see all that. Down here on downloads, right here, you can see that. That's where my download folder and everything comes up. So then I created a YouTube channel. So I'm going to go like into Safari or whatever browser you use. And in YouTube, I actually have I have a YouTube channel, and that's where I store any videos that I do. So you can create your own YouTube channel, and little did you know that you would be having a YouTube channel, although probably some of you already have one. It's a lot easier than I thought it would be. So once you're signed in, you'll have like a password, username, everything. So I went to my YouTube. Right here tells me that I'm in my account, and this little video thing right here, I click that and it says upload video. So I am going to select the file I want, and I'm going to upload one from last week because I don't want to upload the ones that I just did this morning. I don't want it to overwrite. So this is one I did about the 20% promo code for new members. So I look in my download folder. I can search for it if I know the name, because I know the name from where it downloaded. And then I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit choose. So it's going to choose that file and it's going to upload. I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to give it a description. I can either let it pick the little cover shot, or I can take a picture and use as the cover shot. Sometimes the cover shots are a little funny because your mouth is all twisted. It's just a, an instantaneous shot from your video. So you can either use the one that they pick, or you can upload one that you might prefer. I have two playlists. One is for Beautycounter videos. One is for the Cancer Foundation that I work with. So I'm going to put this under Beautycounter videos. And then I'm going to let it upload. While it's uploading, I'm going to choose my preferences right over here. Okay, video. Is this made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. Then it's going to tell me this is going to be my video link when I finish, but it's still working. So I'm going to click next, and it's going to give me some options. I don't think we need to worry about any of those. I'm going to click next. It's going to be public. So this is something to think about if you want your videos public or not. You could do it private, but then you would have to allow, like when we do it inside the Facebook group, certain people wouldn't be able to see it. So I just make mine public. There's nothing super personal on any of my videos, so I'm not worried about it. But that's to each his own. So then I'm going to publish. And it's 93%. It's almost finished loading. And then it has to process. So I'm going to click out of that and let it finish. It is processing.